Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best treadmills in 2024. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best treadmills. The 5th product on our list is Sunny Health & Fitness Motorized Treadmill. The Sunny Health & Fitness Motorized Treadmill is a cost-effective option for walkers and casual runners. Recommends this treadmill to people on a budget who have a bit less room in their homes. The track on this treadmill is slimmer than most. It's smooth and reliable at walking speeds and is handy for the occasional jog. It has 3 incline levels, so you can build up to a higher intensity workout. 9 built-in workout programs provide options so you'll stay engaged. You can also access additional workout videos in Sunny's Workouts library for more variety. The digital monitor lets you keep track of caloric burn, distance, speed, and pulse rate. Handrail controls, a shock absorption deck, and an emergency stop button help provide safety. It even has a cup holder. At 121.3 pounds, this treadmill is designed to be portable and easy to store. It's foldable and has a soft drop hydraulic system that provides gentle, hands-free folding and unfolding. It comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, a 3-year warranty on the structural frame, and a 180-day warranty on parts and components. Up next in 4th place is the Horizon T101 Treadmill. It's always a good idea to start with the basics. If you're new to running or to treadmill use, check in with your healthcare provider first to make sure it's a good option for you. Prior to beginning any exercise plan, I recommend a thorough pre-participation exam. This helps you optimize your exercise plan and evaluate you for risk factors that could lead to injury or illness, says Dr. Jesse Shaw, Associate Professor of Sports Medicine at the University of Western States. Also, if you're new to at-home treadmill running, the last thing you want is a complicated machine that's challenging to install and set up. The Horizon T101 is intuitive to assemble and use. According to the manufacturer, setup takes just 30 minutes or less. This treadmill is great for beginners. It comes with preset programs to help those who don't know where to start when working out. There are also different programming levels to help you train your body to work your way up to more advanced workouts. The built-in programs include tracking calories, fat burning, distance, intervals, and hill climbing. A manual program is also available. The track is segregated into push-off, transition, and impact cushioning zones. According to the manufacturer, this 3-zone variable response cushioning system supports longer workouts with less fatigue. The incline and speed controls are incorporated into the handles for easy access. There's also a built-in fan for cooling, a USB charging port, Bluetooth speakers, and a device holder. It also has hydraulic folding for easy storage between workouts. Financing is available. The 3rd product on our list is the Sunny Health & Fitness ASUNA Slim Flat Folding Treadmill. This space-saving treadmill may be a good choice for small apartment dwellers or office workers who want to get a quick run-in during lunch. It's lightweight at 95 pounds and folds flat for easy storage, whether it be under a bed, a large desk, or a couch. Additionally, it features transport wheels for easy maneuverability. The running deck provides shock absorption for people weighing 220 pounds or less. A built-in pedometer counts your steps during your workout, and a 4-window display console allows you to keep track of your speed, caloric burn, time, and distance. Additionally, a device holder lets you connect your phone or tablet to the onboard MP3 sound system. This unit comes with a 5-year warranty on the structural frame and a 180-day warranty on parts and components. The 2nd product on our list is the TechnoGym Run HIIT Treadmill. The TechnoGym Run HIIT Treadmill is by far the most expensive piece of equipment on our list. It's designed to appeal to committed runners and workout enthusiasts who have spaces large enough to house this piece of exercise equipment. The sheer size of this machine, plus the complexity of its components, requires professional installation, which is included in its price. You can use this treadmill to create individualized running and high-intensity interval training programs that include options for speed and incline. You can also use it in sled mode. By grabbing the handles and pushing, You can simulate a heart rate elevating HIIT workout that replicates the inertia of a sled loaded with more than 121 pounds. Speed and incline are controlled on the touchscreen console or panels located at the front of the treadmill. There's also a built-in option for joining coach-guided bootcamp routines that change daily. This treadmill connects to a wide variety of training platforms including Strava, Training Peaks, and Garmin. You can create your own virtual training environments or connect to real destinations through Zwift or the KinoMap geolocation sharing platform. A slat belt, made of connected panels instead of a single solid panel, of thick rubber panels provides a reactive surface that absorbs shock to generate low-impact landings per stride. As another perk, this belt has maximum sound absorption for quiet running. Built-in sensors record your step length, power, and stride rate per minute. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product title name is the NordicTrack Commercial 1750. Commercial treadmills are designed for high-capacity use from multiple runners. The NordicTrack 1750 is a large commercial treadmill that may be a good option for people with lots of space and a deep commitment to physical fitness. When synced with the iFit app, users can take part in interactive workouts with motivating trainers. The unit's 14-inch high-definition (HD) screen tilts and pivots, allowing you to watch and participate in a variety of workouts while you're on your treadmill, as well as when you're off it. John Gallucci Jr., who holds a doctorate in physical therapy and is the CEO of JAG Physical Therapy, says the NordicTrack gives you the best value for your money. The large touchscreen console makes it easy to adjust your speed or incline while you're working out, he says. Other impressive features include a low, spacious running deck, an auto breeze fan, a monthly challenge and milestone tracker, and Smart Adjust technology that automatically adjusts your workout's intensity based on your fitness level and performance history. At 340 pounds, this foldable treadmill is heavy, but according to the manufacturer, it's designed with Easy Lift Assist for easier transport and storage. This treadmill includes a 30-day iFit trial and financing is available. Additionally, it comes with a 10-year frame warranty, a 2-year parts warranty, and a 1-year labor warranty. That's all for our list of the 5 best treadmills on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.